The curtains I had here before were from Ikea, and they served their purpose really well. Over the years, I have washed them over and over again, but now I am ready to do something new. I've enjoyed the bright white curtains. It really brightens up this area. But this over here is the showstopper. This is what makes this room so beautiful. This antique Victorian sofa and all the little details here are so pretty. And I want to incorporate some of this into the other areas of this room, like the blue here on this antique chair. And I finally found a